Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the JBL Quantum Engine and connecting your headset. Once done, open the app and allow driver and microphone permissions so the software can control hardware. Next, plug the headset via USB or 3.5mm and confirm Windows recognizes it. This avoids device conflicts. Then check the app's firmware tab and apply updates. Make sure battery is above 20% to prevent failures. After updates finish, the app will detect your headset and enable profile editing immediately. You now configure sound and microphone settings for each profile. First, create a profile and name it for the game or voice use. This keeps settings organized. Then adjust the 5-band EQ. Start with a preset, make small boosts to clarity or bass, and listen while tweaking. Once satisfied, enable DTS surround and set chat/game balance so voices don't drown gameplay. For voice monitoring, enable side tone and test levels. Finally, use the mic tab to set gain, noise reduction, and a sample recording to confirm clarity. You finish by binding hotkeys and testing everything in your usual apps and a quick game session. Make sure profile switch and mic mute keys work. Adjust volumes on the fly and save the final profile. Once stable, save locally, then sync to the cloud or export a JSON backup so you can restore settings fast. If audio or mic issues remain, reinstall the JBL drivers, restart the app, or reset the profile. This single troubleshooting step often clears device conflicts and restores normal function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.